Introducing the latest innovation in urban transportation, the trend-style electric mobile cargo bike. Whether you're a family on the go, a small business owner, or an e-conscious commuter, this motorized tricycle is your ultimate solution. With its powerful 250 WW motor, this electric cargo bike effortlessly carries up to 150 kilograms of cargo, making it perfect for transporting groceries, supplies, or even your little ones. Thanks to its compact size and agile maneuverability, you'll breeze through traffic and tight spaces with confidence. And with customizable features like a rain cover, lithium battery options, and a Shimano 6-speed gear transmission, you can tailor your cargo bike to fit your specific needs. I love how versatile and convenient this cargo bike is. It's revolutionized the way I run my business. As a parent, safety is my top priority. With the electric cargo bike, I can transport my kids around town safely and efficiently. Join the cargo bike revolution today. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updates. And don't forget to check the link in the description to buy now and experience the convenience of the trend-style electric mobile cargo bike for yourself.